fumes foul the air and clog your lungs. But the worst part is that the carbon dioxide that's been floating around in those smoky clouds is heating up the planet. Government leaders around the world have been trying to stop the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere. But one scientist from Australia's science agency, CSIRO, has an even better idea.
What I'm attempting to do is investigate the possibility of converting carbon dioxide into a fuel.
Now that might sound far-fetched. It's called blue sky science, or in other words, a great idea that seems ridiculous, but how do you know if you don't try? Using the knowledge that plants store the energy of the sun's rays by making carbohydrates from carbon dioxide as they grow, Dr. Stevens decided to investigate this process of photosynthesis. What if he could use carbon dioxide to store solar energy?
I think probably the figure is that about half the petroleum that's in the ground has already been dug up and burnt. So there's one problem of the fact that that's running out. And the second problem is the build-up of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So the idea here would be to find a way of recycling carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and at the same time making a kind of a fuel.
Dr. Stevens has plans for storing solar power by recycling carbon dioxide to create a fuel commodity out of an Earth-destroying gas. It's obviously not going to happen overnight, but when it does, what an ingenious solution for a global problem.